All right, just got off of work. Let's get it in. Today we're talking about cannabis stocks. I like what I'm seeing here. I really do. I think there's money to be made. There's money to be lost, certainly, but more probably money to be made here. So I have not even looked at these. I'm looking at them right now in real time. Let's start off on top here. Again, if you're new to my videos, this is a 50-day EMA, the red line. This is a 20-day EMA, the yellow line. Essentially, I have been predicting a crash down to this 50-day EMA for quite some time. We were just really I did not like the separation here. This is just, I mean, that's a bull run if I've ever seen one, right? I mean, that is a monster run. And that's nothing to be upset about if you didn't catch it. It just shows the potential. Oh my good, oh dear. We're talking triple digits here. Oh geez. Wow. Okay. So it's hard to argue against the fact that this is in a bull market. That's extremely hard to do. I don't know how you could really argue against that. But you can actually lose more money in a bull market sometimes or shortly thereafter. So let's be careful. I'm going to show you guys what I expect to happen because I've seen something that has happened just like this. And it's already played out in front of me. But essentially, what you're looking for here, you're looking into if these two cross. If the yellow crosses over the red here, underneath the red here, that's going to be a tough move. That's going to be a tough move to the downside. Really tough one to stomach. I mean, just theoretically, we're at 17. Imagine we drop to support down here at 12. That's a crippling loss. I'm seeing support here. I am seeing support here. We got a wick and we got a top of a candle. I should have made that a horizontal line. I see support here. Again, I think this is a bull market, so that seems to be a pretty good point of. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do, or what I would do. The only way I'm not really big. I'm not buying a lot of stocks right now, but if I was buying this one, this is what I would do. And if I didn't get it, maybe you could start a small position now, and take the bet that these are gonna run parallel to each other. If you are buying into this now, you're making the bet that these are going to run parallel to each other. And I'll show you exactly what you would want to look for. We need to find new cipher. This is a cryptocurrency, but this is kind of what I expect to play out here. I think it's going to hold. And you can expect something like this. And if these can hold, you can see another run to the upside happening. Let's see if I can find an example of that. Bitcoin probably did that a few times during this market. No. So let's go back to it. So again, it's holding strong, but these kind of market, like these bull runs, don't just, I mean, it's tough to just keep this going. I mean, Bitcoin did it, but I don't know. If I'm watching this one, I'm just making sure we stay. This yellow doesn't drop below. If it does, I'm selling my position as soon as these cross. I think all hope is lost there. Let's see what's going on in the RSI. Okay. Well, that's good news. We're historically about average on the RSI. We're not overbought or oversold. We're in a bull market. In a bull market, they say things that are overbought will continue to get overbought. So I like this. This RSI is looking pretty good to me. I don't know if this is a convincing breakout. If you have any questions about my indicators, please comment. This is an RSI, and this is an EMA of the RSI. What we're looking for here is for this to cross up under. It tried to here back in March. Just couldn't hold. Could not hold. Okay. So unless something changes like dramatically or some sort of news, the technicals here suggest, and this is just the God honest truth, people, I hate to say it, We could be looking at a correction until May, a week into May. There's two ways this can go. I mean, it's either going to bounce out of here, which honestly, according to the RSI, it might. It might. You know, that's pretty convincing there. Last time we hit that level, it kind of did a nice little run. Let's see. Hit that level. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Okay, here's the bull argument for. Here's the bull argument. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. I might be a little bit more bullish than I expected because look the last time we hit this RSI level here. That's the same level we're at today. And look at the run we went on. And that's, oh wow, look at that. That's a snapshot of what we have about to play out. Right here, we're right here on the list. And so the people who are betting on it right now, historically, in this sort of situation, they won big on that bet there. I mean, this is where we are. This is where we are, and this is what could come out of it. So let's just imagine we went on a run like that, right? Oh my God. Gotta say, the upside on this is pretty good. I really do. Jesus. Let's see what we're looking at. So if you're right, and you pick the bull case here, and you suggest that this thing was going to go up, we'll run it off the 50-day. Ooh. Let's see what this level's at here. $23, which is about the top of that candle. 24. If we go up, we're gonna test this level here. It's not a bad move either. What is that? That's a 20% that's a 20% move. Yeah, 20-30% move. That doesn't even make sense. Oh yeah. Almost 40%, pretty much 40% move if you can pull that off. So betting on this right now is not the worst idea ever. You just want to keep it. If you do bet on it, my only suggestion would be just keep an eye out on these. If they cross, just take your L. Take your L and get out. I don't think it's going to happen just because of this RSI level. You got it. You can't ignore this. The March dip is the only thing that took us. Oh, dear Christ. Wow. So the bull run really just started in. Yeah, you got to be careful. You got to be careful. Because this is when all the little small chip stocks really took off and this whole April. Yeah. Yeah, again, if you want to bet on this stock right now, it's not a terrible idea, but certainly don't buy it today. Wait for a recross. Right, you got to see a candle above the 50 for God's sakes. Yeah. Let me just show you. So yeah, if you're even thinking about buying into this stock, today was not a good day for you, obviously. It did not. It fell below the 50. It's not even touching the 50, which is yeah, I wouldn't rush into this right now. You should not rush in. We haven't broken that line in so long. Oh, Christ. So for a bull argument, you could say that, we pulled it off back here, but for a bear argument, you would say, well, we didn't break the 50-day back there. This is a bad sign. That's a bad sign. All right. Well, in the next video, I'm going to look at sundial growers. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, call me, comment, show up.